Verifying Klarna Pay in 4 is a straightforward process that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. To begin, make sure you have a Klarna account and have selected Pay in 4 as your payment method at checkout. First, you will receive an email from Klarna with a link to verify your payment. Click on this link to be redirected to the Klarna website. Once on the website, you will be prompted to log in to your Klarna account. Next, review your payment schedule to ensure the payment dates and amounts are correct. You will see the total amount due, the 4 payment due dates, and the payment amounts. After reviewing your payment schedule, you will be asked to confirm your payment method. This is typically the debit or credit card you used to make the purchase. Now, review and agree to the terms and conditions of Pay in 4. This includes understanding that you will be charged a late fee if you miss a payment. Finally, confirm your payment plan by clicking the Confirm button. You will then receive an email from Klarna confirming your payment plan and payment schedule. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and potential damage to your credit score. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Klarna app or website. Best practices for using Klarna Pay in 4 include making timely payments, monitoring your account, and understanding the terms and conditions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Klarna Pay in 4 to split your purchases into manageable payments and avoid interest charges.